Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a user or contact on Google Messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So here we are going to follow these Google Messages Help Center article, and here we are going to learn how you can block your senders or report even spam in Google Messages. So first, you will be needing just to go to your Google Messages app from here. And after that, we will be needing to go on the home center or the home page. And from here, you will find the list of conversation. After that, you will be needing to simply hold click on a conversation. And then you will be needing to go to this 3 point icon. You can go to block, and then you will be able to start blocking this conversation, and then you can also report it as a spam if it was really a spam. So you click on yes, and then you will have your conversation that has been blocked. Otherwise, you can simply go to the conversation. You can click on the contact itself or the number or the email or whatever. You click on it, and from here you will be able to block and report as spam. You can click on it, and here it will give us the same pop-up message on here, and then you can either report as spam or not, and then click on yes. If we go back, we will find that this number has been blocked. And if you want to start a message with it again, you can just simply go to it. And here we will find that we have blocked already these contacts. If we want to unblock it, either you can just click on this 3 point icon and go to details. It will take us to the same page, or you can simply click on the name and then unblock the contact. So here we click on unblock and we have our contacts unblocked, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.